Hello there, welcome to our channel.
We are Fancom React, and we are reacting to one of my favorite artists out there. His name is Conor Maynard.
Yo.
As we
As we speak.
if you don't know, Conor is a British singer that he does a lot of
He used to.
1 a year video, and most recently released his sing off in this time he did with Arvi, which is an artist she likes. So yeah, there's an inside joke. We sing about these sing-offs because it's funny, and we added another one for the best.
I guess the good joined with better, and Connor joined with Harvey, and it was like, it's our thing. It's like our battle.
Yeah.
As we know, Harvey will be better.
To be honest, I know the ending of every single sing-off. So
It's always Connor.
no.
Oh.
What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing very, very well. Now, as you can see, I'm joined by Harvey, who has so
Hi.
graciously decided to give up the failed dancing career and jump back over to singing, seeing as though you didn't quite win.
No, I didn't.
Strictly
I
Come
didn't.
Dancing, did you? You
I
didn't win.
didn't.
No.
See the accent.
Unlucky, mate.
Just real.
They're like the British fighting.
When was the last time you were on TV?
Yeah, it's the song
Oh,
we
okay.
started.
I don't know.
TikTok. Oh, we have the same posture, man. We have to be much higher. No, I know you
I'm
are
always
Connor.
Connor. She's always the other people.
Other. The voices are so. I never like noticed how their voices are like so close.
Maybe that's why I don't mind his voice and you don't mind his voice.
Yeah. Listen, this part.
Arvis is slightly dark, no darker, deeper.
I think he has a little like that thing to do
Yeah.
to this voice.
It's because he's trained.
Oh, Portuguese. Now the Furtado.
Yeah, because he trained more of his high notes.
Mhm.
So I think Arvis is the opposite.
But the tone.
Yeah, the first note. He always puts this song in every single single. I'm like, oh, Connor, stop.
When I say that I'm obsessed, I am obsessed.
It's weird to listen to these lyrics in another.
This song is like, follow me.
Yeah. And now he's going to sing
Yeah.
Connor's.
Which one is it?
Turn around. Oh no.
This voice is so like.
No. Okay, I'm not going to try it. Because I'm singing very low, it's like it's very song. I love that song.
Oh, this song is iconic.
Did you see one of Connor's like that?
He doesn't have any. I'm joking, but is it true?
Now he does more collabs or like he does more like do you know like those DJs and like ask someone to sing?
Mhm.
He does those.
Oh, it does like features. We just noticed that they are very similar. And she just learned that he is British as well. So
actually
it was
did not
shocking.
know.
No, you do.
What did we learn about him? I didn't know.
Remember that band that was super famous?
Road Trip?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what happened to them, but they seem
For some
cool.
reason I get them recommended on my YouTube, but like videos from like another band that like two members who are in a new band and other two members are
Yeah.
in another band. Anyways, yeah,
which one
that's
do you think
Connor.
it was best?
I'm biased. I'm always going to say Connor.
I think I like
But
Harvey's voice more,
yeah,
but I think the technique on Connor's voice
because
is better.
yeah, Connor did train a lot of years.
Even
But
he's so old.
But yes, I do. I think it's for different music, different like if it's different. Both win in different aspects.
Yeah, they're both super famous and obviously. Yeah, not that super famous. You know what I mean?
To be honest, I only knew Connor years and years and years after I liked the song. So
I think because he takes a lot of time releasing songs, this like fame is going a little bit down. You know, like the Vans, you know, because they don't release stuff
as
and
often.
people get like, okay, and now what?
Yeah. What else am I going to listen to? I've already got bored of all of these. So.
And RV is starting now, so I think
Yeah.
they are like in that era, like you are fading and he was like rising or in the mid thing.
Mhm.
So they are kind of in the same place now.
Yeah, I agree. I think I don't know Harvey's, but like Connor's music now for us has become more of an inside joke, or like you know.
You know that type of songs like Hold On Direction songs, they are so like cringe, like that thing. Of,
Yeah, but it's nostalgic as well. Like every time I listen to like Turn Around, I'm like, yes, I just come home from a beach trip and I'm feeling myself. My hair looks
It's
good.
like happy. I'm
Yeah.
happy. You know that's the type.
Yeah, it's this, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
I think that's it.
You,
Do you have anything else?
I-
Basically, both win. That's the takeaway from this. Yes.
please have mercy.
Yeah.
So, if you like it,
Give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you want. And comment a suggestion because we're running out as always. And
someone's dying in the back.
yeah, probably.
Oh no. So yeah,
That's all. Goodbye and see you next week.
it has a lot of views though. It has like 1.4 million views.
It's Connor and Harvey, both very famous. One in America, one.
They are both British.
Harvey is British.
Dun 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 dun!
I thought it was American, seriously. I did.
Why do you think he went to Algarve? He's British!
You went to Algarve?
I told you so. She never, like,
I never listened to her. No.
What's wrong? You know that
She likes my pain.
You see that, like, movie that is going on that you smile and... Just, like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
the horror. I saw the trip. Why I did this? But I was looking at you on the
It
camera.
doesn't look like that.
Yes. I did it again. I hate you right now.